Amidst the tense clouds of Operation Sindoor, India is gearing up to unleash a game changer in modern aerial warfare. A rupees 10,000 crore project that promises to redefine how battles are fought. Not with brute force, but with precision, intelligence, and an eye in the sky that never blinks. Welcome to Global Military Database. Today, we unravel India's ambitious leap into elite air surveillance with the I-STAR project, a cutting-edge fleet of spy planes set to give the Indian Air Force unprecedented air-to-ground clarity and surgical strike capabilities. At the heart of this rupees 10,000 crore proposal lies I-STAR, a sophisticated fusion of intelligence and precision. These aircraft will provide a live, dynamic battlefield picture, allowing Indian forces to detect, monitor, and eliminate enemy ground targets such as radar stations, mobile air defense systems, and command posts, all from a safe stand-off distance. The plan involves acquiring three aircrafts, likely from aerospace giants Boeing or Bombardier, through an open tender. But here is the kicker. The real power lies in the Indian-made systems that will go inside these aircraft. Developed by DRDO's Center for Airborne Systems, CABS, these indigenous sensors and electronic suites have already been tested and proven. The aircraft will simply act as flying platforms, modified and fitted with India's homegrown tech tailored for dominance. With I-STAR, India will join an exclusive club of global military powers, the US, UK, Israel, all of whom already operate such platforms. These are not just spy planes, they are strategic assets that provide dynamic, time-sensitive targeting and real-time intelligence. By linking airborne and ground-based components, I-STAR will allow Indian commanders to see the battlefield as it evolves, day or night, across weather conditions and from high altitudes, all without entering enemy's airspaces. As Operation Sindoor unfolds across India's western front, the need for smart, swift, and precise military action has never been more critical. I-STAR is not just about surveillance, it is about limiting war's complexity, preempting threats, and ensuring surgical retaliation when needed. The key features are real-time battlefield visualization, multispectral detection of irregular forces, day-night operation capability, high-altitude standoff range operation, integration of indigenous systems on foreign platform. Officials say this system will not just strengthen India's offensive precision, it will deter adversaries from escalating conflict in the first place. It is a silent but powerful message. India watches, plans, and strikes without warning. With approval expected in the coming weeks, India's I-STAR program is poised to revolutionize how the nation defends its skies and secure its borders. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Military Database for more deep dives into game-changing military tech. And let us know in the comments, do you think I-STAR will redefine India's battlefield strategy? Thank you.